LLY stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Looking at Eli Lilly and company, 14-15% up is very good performance. That's just like Thursday's performance, right? Let's look at the broader picture, which I'm a very big fan of, to see how my chart's looking like. Now, having made more videos than anyone else in the space, with the most proof, by the way, with 39,000 videos, you bet I've seen what's making me money and what's not. With LLY even, yeah, this is like one heck. I may not have some receipts in the Discord, but because we have also like a pretty big gap, only if I see the price pulling down and correcting and then showing me that shift, am I actually going to begin to further take things higher. Now, I know people like to overcomplicate this stuff, but I'm just trying to keep it real, right? And that's how LLY is looking like for me. It's not financial advice. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It is a free newsletter. See you in the next one. Goodbye.